Yesterday we made mole beef jerky off a suggestion in our comments, and honestly I made it kind of kicking and screaming. I didn't really want to, but it's made a believer out of me. I think this one's fantastic, but it ain't about me. Today we see what our taste testers think. Let's go.
I'm getting a lot of seasoning, like a lot of cumin. Tastes like a little bit of paprika. It's definitely a softer jerky, but it's pretty solid.
It's got a great flavor. Definitely comes through really nicely. I like it.
I have to chew this one quite a bit to get some flavor out of it. It tastes super familiar actually now that I'm chewing it. I don't think it's driving, nothing's really standing out about this. Good, unique suggestion, but gotta pass.
Alright, I'll take 2 out of 3 thumbs up. That's pretty good. But personally, this is one of my favorite flavors we've made in a while. I'm definitely gonna eat mole more. Thanks for the suggestion, Rock Lee Power. I'm sending this one out to you today. If you have any good ideas for jerky, leave it down in the comments.